welcome to another City Update. We're on location at one of the community centers right here in the city of Phoenix to talk about taxes. The city of Phoenix for the last 16 years has helped so many people in their returns. And I'm here talking with Julie Bordelone from the Human Services Department to talk about all the great programs that you guys offer.
That's right. This year we are so happy and excited to let you know that we are going to be at 21 different sites all throughout the city of Phoenix, all the way from Pendergast Community Center to Ability 360, South Mountain Community College, and all the way north up to Paradise Valley Community College.
And that's where I live, way up northeast. I love it. So let's talk about the different programs that you have, because there's 3 ways that the city is actually helping a lot of our residents.
Yes, that's exactly right. If you make $56,000 or less, we have, just as what you're seeing here, where clients can come in and have their taxes done for them with the assistance of one of our trained certified IRS volunteers. The second program that we offer is myfreetaxes.com, which is a partnership between the United Way and H&R Block. And what happens with that is you can actually do your taxes from home and just log into that site. Again, it's www.myfreetaxes.com.
Okay.
There is no income limitations, but it is specifically designed for those simple tax returns.
Okay.
And I know that sometimes people might think, oh my goodness, how can I do my own taxes? But with the changes in the tax laws with the standard deductions, many people who in the past were itemizing will no longer be doing so this year. So your taxes have really gotten quite simpler.
I love it. And can I say, Julie actually encouraged me last year for the very first time using this service, and I went up to the Paradise Valley Community Center, and the volunteers were awesome. They were so helpful. Of course, I had to do it myself because of the tax, your income level, and it was really pretty flawless.
Well, and actually, what you're talking about is our third program, which is the do-it-yourself.
Yes.
And there is no income limitations. Again, it's made for more simpler type taxes, and we have our trained volunteers that will help you if you have any questions. And really, you've heard this phrase that we want to teach a man to fish and he never goes hungry again. We want to teach people how to do their own taxes, especially those people who are just simply doing a very straightforward W-2, have very little to go in there. No need to wait in the lines and to do, or to even pay to get your taxes
done. Or get all these computer softwares, or just have a very expensive accountant to do all your taxes.
Don't do that.
Yes.
Come to us. Let us help you, because not only are you going to get your taxes done, but we're going to teach you why you qualify for some of the deductions. We're going to especially look and see if you can qualify for the earned income tax credit, which can be up to $6,000, and you don't have to pay us anything.
Right.
The price is right. It's free. And again, with that do-it-yourself, you're going to come into our site. Let's say that you forgot some of your paperwork, and you in the past you
have to go back and do it. Right.
But no, you don't have to do that. With the do-it-yourself, the facilitated self-assistance, you actually can finish your return at home.
Wow.
So you can start it with us, come in and set up your account, then go home, and then go through it. If you don't have any questions, fine, you electronically file from there. And that's both state and federal. You're fine. You don't have to come back.
That's amazing. Okay, so now we have these 3 different ways. Let's talk about the process. You have 21 different sites throughout the city. What do people need to bring? And what are the lines like? And give us some tidbits and maybe some do's and don'ts when they do come.
Absolutely. On our website, phoenix.gov/EITC, there is actually a listing of all the different documents you need to bring.
Okay.
But right off the top of my head, the things that often will send people away immediately is you need to have a government issued identity card. Okay. In addition to that, you need to either have your Social Security or your ITIN card. We cannot see you unless you have that documentation. And then I always say, if in doubt, bring it.
Right.
If it says it's a tax form, bring it. Let our volunteers go through that and see what is applicable to you, if you need to claim it on there, or if you're going to fall within that new standard deduction so that it doesn't make sense for you to even try and itemize.
Yeah, and don't forget to do a routing number. And very key, especially for getting a return.
That's right. If you want to get direct,
we all want returns. Yes.
Well, yes. So 99% of the returns that we do are electronically filed, and you can set up to have a direct deposit. It goes out usually the very same day. Now, you mentioned about lines.
Yes.
We only are as good as our volunteers.
Right.
And even if I had 1 million volunteers, I probably wouldn't have enough,
Yes,
volunteers. And so what we encourage is that you show up early, come prepared, have your documents ready, and that will make the process go very smoothly for you. But there will be some times where at some sites, depending upon the day and time, that you may have to wait.
And like I said, we were actually at Emmett McLaughlin's community center here right now, and it's a steady flow, which is great too. And I also want to mention, don't forget your last year's tax return as well.
Oh, thank you.
Very key.
Yes,
I have all mine ready to go for Saturday.
Yes.
So
yeah, you're absolutely right. If you're doing the do-it-yourself, especially, so as part of the validation process, you're going to need last year's AGI. You don't need to worry about what that is, because if you come into our site, we'll show you right on your tax return where that is. But also bring it in even if you are 56,000 or less and you're using our traditional model, because if you had some questions about last year's taxes, our tax preparers will be able to walk you through that.
Oh, that's excellent.
Yeah.
That's excellent news.
I like to say we're not just providing a service, we're providing education as well.
Totally. And one last question for you. I'm just curious. The city has been offering this service for 16 years. That's a long time. How much do you think, it's got to be millions and millions of dollars are going back to our residents?
How about over $100 million?
Wow. That's pretty successful. Congratulations. Yes. That's huge.
Well, it's not me. It's my volunteers.
It's the volunteers.
It's the volunteers that are doing that work.
Which is a whole other story too, because we do that story as well to recruit the volunteers, because I can give you my personal testimony. This is working and it's great, and it's those 3 different programs you can tap into. The volunteers, the volunteers are great. If you'd like to get your taxes done, save some money. It's a wonderful service that the City of Phoenix does provide to you. Look online for this information right here at the bottom of the screen. Julie, thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Deborah.
Yes, happy tax season.
Thank you.
For City Update, I'm Deborah Cedillo Dugan.